In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply for the Costco credit card online. So the first thing you want to do is you want to make your way to the official Costco.com website. Please make sure you go to this website. Once again, it is Costco.com. Then it is going to bring you to a site that looks like this. By the way, you could do this process both on a desktop or on a mobile device, but I personally recommend using a desktop. Now, once you're over here, what you want to do is you want to go to this top menu over here, and then you're going to see membership. And then over here, you're then going to see this option that says credit card. But first and foremost, you need to make sure that you are eligible to actually apply for the Costco credit card. So the first thing you need to do is you need to make sure you have an active Costco membership. You also need to be 18 years or older and have a valid ID. And you are going to need good to excellent credit. And it's often recommended to have a credit score between 700 and 750 or more in order to actually get approved for the credit card. So you just want to go ahead and select over here with this credit card, then select on external link. Then it is going to bring you to the official Citi website because Citi and Costco have like a partnership. And then from here, you guys are able to go ahead and apply. So we have the Costco Anywhere Business Card, or we have an Anywhere Visa Card for like individuals. So you can go ahead and select on whichever one works for you. For this video, let's just go ahead and select on this one. And by the way, over here, it's going to let you know more of the terms and services, the benefits, and the percentages and stuff like that, and some reviews as well. So this is really important. And again, you need to be a Costco member. But again, if you're not a Costco member, do not worry. You can easily sign up to be a Costco member. It's going to let you know whenever you go ahead and press on apply now. Then once again, it is going to go ahead and ask you again if you are a Costco member. If you're not, do not worry. All you need to do is sign up, and you're easily able to do that by pressing on no, sign up. But if you are, just press on yes, continue. All right, then over here, you need to enter in your Costco membership number and your personal details, including your first and last name, email, social security, date of birth. You also need to input your address, your mobile phone number. And if you want to, you can add a authorized user as well. We also do have a security word. It's really important that you memorize what the security word is. Make sure to go ahead and have multiple copies of it digitally and physically as well. So like you could write it down on a piece of paper. I always recommend just taking that extra initiative to make sure you don't forget anything. And then over here, it's going to let you know more about the disclosures and stuff like that. And if you're 1000% sure you want to go through with this, go ahead and check these boxes, then select on agree and submit. All right, so if you're approved, your card is usually going to arrive in 7 to 10 business days. So unfortunately, it is going to take a little bit of time. And in terms of how fast you get approved, it's typically an instant decision. So thankfully, you don't need to wait too long, maybe like a couple hours at the maximum, stuff like that. But at any point in time, they do provide you with a customer service number. So if you notice that things aren't lining up or you're a little bit confused, I always recommend calling them as well. But once again, if you are approved, you just need to wait 7 to 10 business days, and then your Costco credit card is going to arrive in the mail. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.